Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a voiceover in the VLLO app. This is perfect for narration, tutorials or explaining what happenings in your video. First, open the VLLO app. Within it, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. When your project opens, VLLO will automatically be in the audio section of the timeline. On the left side of the timeline, you will see options like BGM, sound effect and voiceover. Within it, tap on voiceover option. Now make sure to move the playhead to the exact point where you want your voiceover to start. Next, tap on the record button and the VLLO will now start recording your voice using your microphone. Speak clearly while the video plays, and when you are done recording, you can just simply tap on the stop and your voiceover will automatically appear as an audio clip in the timeline. You can just drag it to adjust its position, trim the edges or re-record it if needed. If you want to preview the voice, you can just tap on the play, and if you are not satisfied, simply tap delete icon within it to delete the clip and record it again. And make sure to preview it, and once everything sounds good, tap on done to save your voiceover, and that's it. You have successfully added a voiceover in VLLO. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more easy VLLO editing tutorials.